Time with decimals, it's really important that you line the digits up correctly. So, for example, 15.092 plus 24.39, we can put a placeholder in as a 0 here. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 9 is 18, carry the 1. 3 and 1 is 4. Don't forget to add your decimal point. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 39.482. When we're adding three numbers together with a different amount of digits, again, we need to remember to line the digits up properly. So 42,372 plus 3,113 plus 405,907. I've lined all my digits up, so my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s are all in the right columns. 2 plus 3 plus 7 is 12. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. Add the 3 is 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. Add another 5 is 10. Add 1 is 11. 4 and the 1 we've carried is 5. And 4 and nothing else is 4. So the answer is 451,392. When we're subtracting using the column method, it's really important that we line our digits up correctly. So in our first example, 74.272 subtract 32.472. 2 subtract 2 is 0. 7 subtract 7 is 0. 2 subtract 4 I can't do because 2 is a smaller number than 4. So we decompose by going to the next column. So I'm going to go to my ones column, cross that out and turn it into a 3 because we're going to take 1 from there, decompose it and put it on there. So 12 subtract 4 is 8. 3 subtract 2 is 1. And 7 subtract 3 is 4. So the answer is 41.8. We don't need to worry about those zeros because they are just placeholders. When I've got two numbers where the digits are different amounts, so I've got a 5-digit number and a 4-digit number, again, I need to make sure I line my digits up correctly. So 36,249 subtract 7,981. So 9 subtract 1 is 8. 4 subtract 8 I can't do because 4 is a smaller number than 8. So I decompose by turning that into a 1 and putting a 1 there. 14 subtract 8 is 6. 1 subtract 9, I can't do that because I've got 100s here and 900s here, and that's a smaller number. So I decompose the 6 by turning that into a 5, putting 1 on there. 11 subtract 9 is 2. 5 subtract 7, again, I can't do because 5 is a smaller number than 7. So I decompose my tens of thousands column, turn that into a 2, put a 1 on that. So 15 subtract 7 is 8. And 2 subtract nothing is 2. So the answer is 28,268. So when multiplying numbers together, 2-digit by 1-digit, we lay it out like this. So I'm going to start in my ones column. So 9 times 7 is 63. So I put the 3 here and carry the 6 down there. 9 times 1 is 9. Add 6 is 15. So my answer is 153. When we're doing 4 digits by 2 digits, or any number by 2 digits, we lay it out like this. So we start here again. So we do 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So I put my 5 there and my 3 down there. 7 times 9 is 63. Add the 3 is 66. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So we need to create a new column here. Then it's really important that I put my placeholder in because I'm now multiplying by 10, not just 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 9 is 9. And 1 times 2 is 2. And then I add these two numbers together. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1. 9 plus that one we've carried will be 10. Carry the 1. And 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 50,167. We're going to divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number using the bus stop method. So 4s into 2 goes 0. So I cross that out and make that into 25. 4s into 25 is 6 because 6 times 4 is 24. So I've got a remainder of 1. 4s into 16 is 4. No remainders. And 4s into 9 goes twice. Now I've got a remainder of 1. We're going to do a decimal remainder. So I'm going to put a decimal point, 0. So I'm going to put my remainder 1 there. 4s into 10 go 2, remainder 2. So again, I'm going to need to put another 0 because I'm going into 2 decimal places now. And 4s into 20 goes 5. So my answer is 642.25. When we're dividing by a 2-digit number, it's always important to write out the times table of whatever that number is first as a reference for you as you're working it out. So again, we're going to do short division bus stop method. So 12s into 7, I can't do that. So 12s into 76, if I look down my 12 times table list, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Because 6 times 12 is 72, so I'll have a remainder of 4. So 12s into 44 go 1, 2, 3 times, because 12 times 3 is 36, and I will then have a remainder of 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So I've got a remainder of 8 there, because I've got 8 left over. 12s into 84 go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 12 is 84. So I don't have remainders on this. So 7,644 divided by 12 is 637.